Finding the right assistive technology is vital when you're blind or visually impaired. Whether you're in employment, education, or at home, having access to reliable software that adapts to your needs is essential for independence and success. This is why Dolphin SuperNova brings you magnification and screen reading software that you can rely on. Available in 4 editions, SuperNova offers a choice of magnification, speech, and screen reading with braille to fit your level of sight. Complete with sharp and intuitive touchscreen magnification, color schemes, and natural-sounding voices, SuperNova makes emails, documents, and websites accessible. Install SuperNova directly on your device for instant magnification and speech on any computer.
Plane flights from London to New York.
In education, SuperNova offers unparalleled accessibility to help students succeed at school, college, and university. The Connect and Learn Kit provides reliable access to the curriculum for students with low vision, complete with a touchscreen Windows tablet and SuperNova software for direct access to digital whiteboards, printed worksheets, and accessible textbooks.
I found that so much more easy being able to do my homework. I was able to go on the internet, I'm able to send emails. I can just do so much more using SuperNova.
For accessibility in the workplace, SuperNova offers reliable access to Microsoft applications. Users can customize their settings to ensure their workstation is accessible and use magnification and speech across multiple monitors. SuperNova makes it easier to read emails and documents and ensures the same productivity as sighted colleagues.
It gives me the ability to use a computer system like any other normal person can be.
SuperNova is the only magnification software that's verified as Citrix ready. With flexible deployment across multiple networks, both employees and colleagues with visual impairments can work effectively in the office and when working from home. For accessibility at home, SuperNova provides reliable software to build and retain independence. SuperNova offers natural-sounding speech, intuitive internet browsing, plus high-quality scanner and camera functions for reading print.
I tend to read at about 220 words per minute, which is faster than I used to read when I was sighted.
And when you need technical help, we provide direct access to the Dolphin support team. For over 30 years, Dolphin has provided reliable support for schools, organizations, and individuals around the world to ensure that people who are visually impaired have the same opportunities as their sighted peers. Whatever your needs, SuperNova will assist you in achieving your goals.
Slide 6. Learning and development.
Find out more about SuperNova today. Book a demo and try it free for 30 days at yourdolphin.com/supernova.